To change the term estimate shown in the versions of sales forms you send to customers into another term, like quote or projection, you must apply a custom form style. To change the term estimate in your sales forms, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Custom Form Styles link in the menu to open the Custom Form Styles page. To apply this change to the standard custom form style, click the Edit link under the Action column in the Standard Custom Form Styles row. Then, click the Content tab at the top of the Form Customization window. Then click the upper section at the right side of the page to edit the Forms header. In the Forms section to the left, change the term shown for the Estimate field under the Form Names setting. When finished, click the Done button in the lower right corner of the Form Customization window to save the changes and close it. If you created additional custom form styles for estimates, make sure to also change the estimate field's value for the form names setting within the header content section of those custom form styles too. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.